In this video, I'm going to show you how to get TradingView Premium free trial. And if you understand the steps, you'll notice there's a way to do this over and over again to get yourself unlimited TradingView Premium. It's pretty easy once you know how. So let's get started. So first things first, go to your browser and search for TradingView. The first result you see should be tradingview.com, so click on that. Thereafter, you should be brought to their home page, as you can see here. The first thing I want you to do is just double check in the URL bar over here and make sure that it is the exact website that you're supposed to be at. Make sure that you click on this little lock icon here to make sure that it says TradingView and to ensure that the connection is secure. In today's day and age, you can never be too careful as everybody loves to copy websites and steal people's information. The next thing you need to do is head over to Get Started at the top right corner here and click on that. Once on this page, if you scroll further down, you'll then be able to see all the benefits of each of the plans below. Next, I want you to click on Try Free for 30 days under the Premium plan. Obviously, if you want to go Pro or Pro Plus, you can click on either one of these. For this video, we're going for the Premium side of things. On the next page, you'll notice that it says Sign In. So to change that, just head over to the bottom of the page where it says Sign Up and click on that. You'll then see it immediately change up over here. It'll then give you a whole bunch of options that you can use to sign up. As I assume most of you will choose email, that's the one I'm going to go with. Now all you have to do is add in your email address here as well as your password. I'll just do that now and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you've added in that information, all you have to do is click on this block over here to say that you have read the terms and conditions of this particular website. Then complete the I'm not a robot verification over here by clicking on this block. Sometimes you might not get this puzzle. I have obviously gotten it now. So we're looking for motorcycles. There we go, verify. Boom, and there we go, I'm not a robot. Next, just click on Create Account. Looks like I forgot to put my username there, so let me do that now quickly again. Perfect, then on the next page you'll see that it says your account is not yet active. Please verify your email. So what you need to do is go to your email address inbox that you use to sign up with and open the email TradingView sends you. The email should look something like this, and all you have to do is click on Activate Account here. If that doesn't work for whatever reason, just use this particular link at the bottom over here. Then you'll be brought to this page over here. Sometimes it'll show first and second name to be included. Sometimes it's just your username. Then just click on this block over here if you want marketing emails sent through to you. Otherwise, leave it blank if you don't want them to be sent to you. You can then also choose a photo for your profile. It's not mandatory, so you don't need it if you don't want it. Then click on Continue at the bottom here. What I've noticed is it does one of two things. It'll either bring you back to this page, being the home page, but you can see that you logged in up at the top over here. Or what it'll do is take you back to the page where it showed you all the plan options, whether it be your Pro or your Premium plans. In this case, I'll just click over here again saying Upgrade Now. This was the page I was referring to where sometimes it comes straight to here. What we need to do then is choose the plan that we want again. First things first, make sure that you've got it as the monthly over here and not the annual plan. So click on monthly here, then scroll down and click on Try Free for 30 days again under the Premium plan. Next you'll be brought to this page where you can choose either payment via card or payment via PayPal. With any free trial, this particular step you need to complete in order for you to get that free trial. My advice is choosing the PayPal option instead of the credit card, as it always seems easier to cancel or amend any subscription you have. So I've chosen the PayPal side of things. You'll notice on the right hand side it says Premium trial for 30 days, $0. Payable on the 2nd of November will be $59.95. So it confirms that you will not be billed today for the given amount. You'll only be billed on the 2nd of November. But one important thing to note here is it says you can cancel auto renewal. So you can cancel your trial and auto renewal before the 2nd of November and you will not be charged at all. So let me add in my details and I'll be right back. Once you've added in all your information, click on this block below here. This is to confirm that you've read and agreed to the TradingView terms of service. Next thing to do is head over to the right here and click on the PayPal button. This will take you through and complete the whole payment process. Okay, so once you've gone through the payment process, you should be taken to this page. As you can see, it says here, woohoo, let the fun begin. Your 30-day free trial is live and kicking. And on the right hand side here, you can see that your total payment was $0 once you went through the payment process. However, if you don't cancel before the 2nd of November or any date specified here when you do yours, you will pay this given amount here. One thing to note, this may or may not happen with your PayPal account, but sometimes there'll be a transaction that goes off your PayPal account from PayPal themselves It may be a few cents or even $1, but this is always refunded back to your account. This generally happens if you've got a brand new account. If you have a PayPal account that you use often, this shouldn't happen. And remember everyone, this is crucial. If you don't want to be charged this amount over here, at the end of the 30 days, please turn auto renewal off before the date it says. In my case, it's the 2nd of November. If you cancel auto renewal before this time, you will not be charged at all. Then just click on Start Charting to create your first chart. It'll then immediately bring you back over to TradingView and it'll show the Apple TradingView chart here. So that's how to get the TradingView Premium free trial. It's super easy and you'll get all the benefits and features of TradingView for a full 30 days. That brings this video to a close. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more useful tutorials like this one. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to assist you as best as possible. With that being said, take care everyone. Bye for now.